Kanwar, Kanwar Automotive, Wasak, Lapu-Lapu City.
Hi everyone! This is Love! And for today, may ipapakita ako sa inyong DA64V 4x4 manual.
Looking for a ride, you know where to go.
This is available unit. Naka-roof rack na siya, tinted, with brand new mags and tires, size 13. Dito naman sa loob, naka-VIP upholstery na siya, with matting na din, at lalagyan pa namin ito ng dashcam at stereo. At dito naman sa second row, naka-bench type siya, at napakaganda ng combination ng kanyang upholstery. Pwede natin siyang i-fold, hihilahin lang natin yung latch niya sa gilid. At saka sa likod. So gustong mag-avail, for as low as 30,000 pesos, mapapasayo na ito. Malaki din ang kanyang legroom. At dito naman sa likod, malawak at marami kayong paglalagyan ng inyong mga gamit. Call us at 0928-516-3111 or visit us at 2157 Pakpakan Road, Wasak, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Experience Kanwar. Drive smart, drive with class. Keep safe,